Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. So, I am Charjin Bersidihado. My task for today is to report about the multimedia approach to learning, which is the design and development of educational multimedia application. But before that, let's have a quick overview about the multimedia. So, I know a lot of you here heard a lot about the multimedia from the previous discussion or from the previous reporters, right? But here's the thing about the multimedia. So multimedia separated no in two segments from the word itself, multi and medium. So multi means many, medium means an intervening substance through which something is transmitted or carried on. So yes, no, it is true. It's because in today's digital age, multimedia has become increasingly popular and accessible. And not just that, it also allows us to use of multiple mediums to transmit information in a more engaging and interactive way. Just like for example, no, instead of just reading the articles, reading the books in the library, nowadays we can watch a video. We can view images in different platforms using our cell phones, 'di ba? We view images in different platforms just like in Facebook, in Google, in Instagram, and everything. Okay? And even through interaction no, with the content, just like our content creator. They make a content to interact more people. Okay? So, um, therefore, multimedia is any combination of text, graphic, art, sound, animation, and video delivered by any electronic means. So, let's proceed to the multimedia approach of education. Now, consisting of the use of many appropriate and carefully selected devices, techniques, and media in such a combination as to yield in the most effective realization of the teaching learning objective in a best possible way. So, as we can see, no, in the goal of using multimedia in education is to create dynamic and engaging learning environment that caters no different learning styles, different preferences, especially to our teachers or to our instructors. So, 'di ba, sa atin sa online learning. So, our teacher will use visuals in interactive element no just like PowerPoint presentation or any kind of elements that they are using mga PDF forms. Yes, to engage or to interact the students. So, by that, no, we as a students, we are able to actively participate and interact to the class. So, based on my observation, the most effective realization of the teaching learning objective in a best possible way is the interactive elements that they use using the multimedia. So, based on my experience, not just that multimedia then can engage students or us more personalized and self-paced learning experience. Why is that multimedia engage more student to be more personalized? It's because naka-experience ako dito. Since I was a first year college and then nagatok ako ng online class. And then 'di ba? More on reporting tayo, especially in college. O, more on reporting tayo. And then, ginabigyan lang tayo ng mga topic sa ating mga structures. 'Di ba? And then, ang ginagawa ko, nag-search ako sa Google to gain or any different websites na para maka-search ko or para maka-gain ko og more resources or maka-gain ko more and more knowledge. It's because para masabtan pa nako pag-ayo kung unsa to nga topic about. Okay? That's why I am more personalized about the understanding about that topic. So, it is very important that the best way of learning the objective is the effective utilization of various instructional methods, the technologies, and the resources as well, to ensure that the teaching and learning goals are achieved in a best possible way. Okay? Alright. So, that's why it aims at providing meaningful learning experience, and thus, it improves the process of teaching learning. So, sabi ko nga kanina, the learning experience will also improves the process of teaching learning. Okay? Using the multimedia. Alright. So, okay, let's proceed to the needs of multimedia. So, there are two perspectives here of what are the needs of multimedia from a different perspective, from a student perspective and from a customer's perspective. But, let's tackle first about the student perspective. So, the needs of multimedia from a student perspective is that PowerPoint presentation is very important. Okay? Why is that from a student perspective? Why is that PowerPoint presentation is very important? It's because as a student, the lesson can be better understood by using a PowerPoint presentation. Why? As an online class or as an online student, makaintindi tayo through the PowerPoint presentation. Diba nga, using the PowerPoint presentation, we can engage more information about the topic. Diba? So, try mo nga mag-report or try mo mag-discuss without PowerPoint presentation na nasa online class ka. Is that effective? Diba hindi? Diba hindi yan effective? Kung magsasalita ka lang dyan without the visual presentation, hindi talaga yan magiging effective ang report mo. That's why, as a student, it is very important. The PowerPoint presentation is very important to us to be better understood by using a PowerPoint presentation. Okay? So, next is an experience can be better explained using the simulation through animation. Okay. An experience daw can be better explained using simulation through animation. So, what are this simulation through animation means? So, through the simulation, no, it enhance the learning experiences, and it's because simulation involves creating virtual scenarios na nag-resemble siya sa real life situations, and through the animation it brings these scenarios to life through the visuals and dynamic movements, just like sa mga graphic video, sa mga animated video na gina-present naton sa atong mga activities. which is we are explaining our experiences through that animated video or through that graphic video. That's why, we as a student, we can actively engage with the topic or with the content, allowing for a more interactive and hands-on approach to learning. So that are the needs of multimedia from a student perspective. So let's proceed to the needs of multimedia from a customer perspective. So here, from a customer service, utilizing the video demo and storytelling through interactive animation are very important to the customer perspective. Why? So, I know na do you familiar with the family or with a famous na content creator in a business owner na si Rosmartan. So, I know a lot of you na nakabalo na kung kinsa na siya, right? So, she is a business owner of beauty products and nag-live selling siya sa Facebook, sa TikTok, sa Shopee, and very sikat na siya kaayo karon. And with that, she gained more customer, million of customer na iyahang na-engage or na-gain. It's because she is doing a video demo on how to use the products, what are the directions, what are the ingredients of that products. So, meaning to say, nag-buy yung mga customers sa kanya kasi nga she's doing a video demo. So in short, the customer can engage with a video demo of Rosmartan. It's because she is featuring and gina-include niya doon what are the function of that beauty product. Okay? So, another customer perspective is that interactive animation daw is very important. Storytelling through interactive animation. So, di ba nakabantay mo ng mga advertisement, right? And we've sent a lot of advertisement in social media, especially nakabantay mo na pag mag-watch mo og video sa isa ka content creator, then naada yun mo gawas na ads, di ba? So, sa mga brand owners mostly, yes, nagakuha sila og mga endorser, to tell their brand story in a more engaging way and in visually appealing way. Yes, visually appealing way. Yes, you heard it right. So, this allows customer to have a clearer understanding of the product's value and how it can meet their needs. So, for example na lang ako, as a customer na nagabay online, ginatanaw na ko ang mga video or mga interactive animation or kanang mga advertisement. Ginatanaw na ko sila or ma-engage pod na ko ang akong sarili or ma-influence ko sa ilahang mga mga advertisement to buy that product. It's because ma-realize na ko na ay bagay man ni sa ko ba, sige ka na ako ana with that interactive animation. Yes, so that are the needs of multimedia from a customer perspective and from a student perspective. So let's proceed to the areas of multimedia usage. So I will explain what are the use of multimedias in different areas. Okay? Especially in education, in entertainment, electronic shopping. Yes. So, let's tackle first in education. So, education, use of multimedia learning packages, and e-learning resources, and digital library. So, di ba ngayon, students watching educational videos and nag-participate na sila through interactive quizzes. And they are exploring the virtual simulation para mas maintindihan pa talaga nila yung mga topic na binigay sa kanila sa mga students. And then with the multimedia learning packages, kaya kagaya sa sinabi ko kanina, the multimedia learning packages is the text, the graphics, the video, the audios. So with that packages, education become more engaging and expressing to individual learning strategies or learning styles. So in e-learning resources, it is very useful, especially nowadays, and it is obvious naman na e-learning provides students with the flexibility to learn anytime and anywhere. And makita naman jud na sa ato, especially sa ato na ACAD Flex students, di ba? How advantage it was as ACAD Flex students, di ba? Ang e-learning resources na aton gina-apply. So, whether it is online courses, educational website, or learning management system na magagain tayo ng knowledge doon, sabi ko nga kanina na it allows us to acquire knowledge and skills at our own pace. Okay? So, meron na tayong mga Google Meet ngayon, mga Zoom, mga Skype, and other platforms para wherein it facilitate collaboration among us as a student and with our instructors as well. So, in digital library naman, meron naman tayong also noon may traditional library, pupunta pa tayo para magbasa ng libro, pero ngayon it evolves to digital library. So meron na tayong mga e-book, mga scholarly articles, mga research papers, and etc. And meron din tayong mga search forums or mga search functions that we can easily locate relevant information through using our cell phones without wasting our time and effort. So grabe, that is how convenient the world now. Grabe. Mas napabilis talaga mas napabilis ng multimedia ang the way of how we learn in today's generation. So, while the use of multimedia will continue to shape the landscape of education, equipping students with the skills they need to thrive in the digital age. So, it is very important. The multimedia is very important in education. Okay? So, now let's proceed in entertainment. So, the multimedia play a pivotal role in entertainment industry. So, yes, in movie making, in video games, in animated films, and especially in cartoons. So, with the use of visual graphics, and mga special effects in how to make a movie, makahimo ta og movie. O, di ba? So, we can create the movie itself. Kasi nga, using the visual graphics, and yun yung mga filmmakers. Talaga. Ma-appreciate talaga natin yung mga filmmakers kasi nga, they are engaging more critical thinking. Okay, so in video games daw, they said na multimedia is at the core of video game development. Why? It is because, kagaya ng mga Mobile Legend, mga sikat na laro ngayon, it create of immersive virtual worlds. Kaya nga yung mga like yung mga realistic characters, yung sa kagaya sa Mobile Legend may mga realistic characters sila, and then which is it influence the player, or it engage the player to play that game. Kasi nga, it is more on graphics, more on animation, more on sound design, yung mga yung maka-create talaga siya ng sarili mong mundo. Kaya, that's why maraming naa-addict sa video games. And same as sa animated films and cartoons. So, 'di ba, yung mga bata addict na addict sa cartoons, yung addict sa animated films, kasi nga it is more on graphics and more on animation, and ma-apply rin nila yon sa kanilang kabataan. It's because it is like a realistic characters. And then that's why it make more immersive and lifelike, para talagang totoo yung mga yon. So that is the entertainment of multimedia. And then, let's proceed to electronic shopping. Okay, so, the e-commerce and the customized presentation. Okay, so, di ba, as we can see, through the internet, we can purchase goods and services using electronic means. So, through e-commerce, e-commerce platform, we can provide a virtual marketplace. Instead of real market, nag-allow na tayo, or punta na tayo sa mga marketplace sa ating cellphone, di ba? Which it allows us to browse and select the product, right? So, marami na tayong mga ngayon, mga mobile apps, 'di ba? Yung mga Shopee, yung mga Lazada, yung mga Foodpanda, and mayroon ding mga iba't pang mga apps na talaga pwede kang bumili doon. So, this form of electronic shopping has making it convenient and accessible. Just like pwede kang makapili kung anong gusto mo, kung anong fit, or kung ano ang bagay sa'yo, pwede kang makapili. You're just like shopping in a mall, gani. So yes, that's the benefit of electronic shopping, of how to use the multimedia nowadays. Kaya nga the use of multimedia approach in the field of education, in the field of entertainment, in the field of electronic shopping, it enhances engagement. It improves also our understanding to the world. And lastly, it provides an immersive experience for a users, for us. Okay? So, that ends my report. I hope that you learn a thing from me. Thank you.